Shopify's new checkout extensibility is one of the biggest upgrades to the platform in years. It replaces the old checkout.liquid file with a safer, faster, and far more flexible system. Instead of editing fragile code, brands now use secure extensions placed inside key areas of checkout, from order summary to shipping steps to post-purchase pages. These React-based components load fast, never break payment processing, and unlock powerful revenue tools like dynamic upsells, trust messaging, delivery windows, and personalized content. And for Shopify Plus merchants, the customization goes even deeper with segment-based logic and one-click post-purchase offers. If your checkout feels outdated or you're still relying on legacy code, reach out to our team and let's build a checkout experience that actually drives conversions.